What's up, Nom Nommers? For today's video, we have been summoned to another world to cook up a delicious dish for a very discerning customer. This guy. Now, while you may not have your very own Fenrir to cook for, I think you're going to want to give this dish a try. What are we making? Bloody hornbull and General Orc hamburger steak from Campfire Cooking in Another World with my absurd skill. Let's dig in. I started by softening up my onion in a medium pan. Once it was tender, I removed it from the heat and let it cool. Next, in a large bowl, I added 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pound of ground turkey, my softened onion, 2 eggs, 2/3 cups of panko breadcrumbs, 5 tablespoons of milk, a bit of ketchup, a dash of Worcestershire sauce, a pinch of salt, a couple grinds of pepper, and another pinch of garlic powder. Then I mixed everything together to combine. Traditional Japanese hamburger steaks are made with a combination of pork and beef, but since I don't cook pork at home, I opted for turkey. Additionally, I used a fattier beef to offset the leanness of the turkey. Once everything was combined, I formed my patties. If you're making this at home, feel free to get out the scale to help get the patties identical. As for me, I'm perfectly okay with a little uniqueness. This recipe makes 8 patties. Luckily, the patties freeze well, so you can just cook however many you want to eat today and freeze the rest. With the patties formed, it was time to get cooking. In my same pan from earlier, I warmed up my oil over medium-high heat before lovingly placing the patties down. You don't want to crowd the pan, so cook in batches if you're making all 8. I cooked them on each side for about 4 minutes, resisting the temptation to mess with them. At this point, my very own Fenrir came to investigate the tantalizing smells coming from the kitchen. After both sides of the patty had a turn on the pan, I added a half cup of water, covered the pan, and let the patties steam for about 5.5 minutes. When they were done, I took them out of the pan so I could start on my sauce. I turned off the heat and added about a 1/3 cup of ketchup and a couple tablespoons each of Worcestershire sauce and water. I'm sorry, I cannot say that word. I stirred everything together, making sure to scrape up all the little browned bits in the pan. Most importantly, I gave it a little taste to make sure the flavors were nice and balanced. Yum. Finally, I placed the patty on a bed of rice and drizzled the sauce over it. Now to see how it tastes. This is delicious. The hamburger is soft and pillowy, and the sauce has this nice sweetness, but also like tanginess. It's really, really good. I just kind of want to devour the whole thing. Will I make this dish again? 100%? Absolutely. It's just really, really yummy. But what about you? Would you be willing to give this dish a try? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more. Until next time.